guys, and thank you for joining us for another episode of Hunting for Adventure.
Today we're going to do a little something different than something I don't normally do. We're going to do a little bit of an unboxing. I was fortunate enough to get the second round of invitations from the Alexia Auto Echo. So we're going to go ahead and check it out and see what it's about. So, come your traditional Alexia blue box. See what's inside the box. Alright, so you got the vent mount. It's supposed to be able to clip onto most type of vents. And then magnetic connector for the Alexia. Alright. And in here we have the car plug 12 volt charger. Looks like it's got 2 ports, so we'll see how that works. And there she is. It's a little bit smaller than I thought it would be, but I guess it's not going to take up too much room in the truck. It feels pretty sturdy. It's obviously made of plastic. You see it's got the 8 speakers, the mute button, and the activation button there, in case you don't want it activating when you say the keywords. So I guess it just kind of clips in just like that. It's a pretty strong magnet. I don't imagine it going anywhere while you're bumping down the road. Alright, see what else we got in here. Some things to try. Alexia has answers. Alright, well I guess we'll figure out that when we get it connected up. There's your auxiliary cord. Looks like maybe about a 3-foot auxiliary cord. So if your car's not Bluetooth, you'll want to use that. And then like another about 3-foot USB-C connector. Alright, and looks like that's all that's in there. Instructions and setup. So kind of shows you how it'll set in how to plug it up, I guess. Some pretty basic setup stuff. But yeah, it's supposed to be able to sit in an event. So we'll see. I haven't looked around. If you guys have found window mounts or different type of mounts for it, just let me know in the comments. I don't know that I necessarily want it in my vents, but I guess we'll check it out and we'll see how it fits in there. So let's take it out to the car and get her hooked up. Alright guys, so I don't know that I'm real impressed with how it's set up there, but I've got it obviously set up here on my dash. I'm not real impressed with that. I feel like there's probably got to be a better way to mount it. But I guess for this video, that's kind of where we'll leave it. It does block out all of my entire vent on either side. But I've got a 27 Nissan Frontier, so I guess we'll kind of see. Like I said, I'll probably look for a window mount, but just something to keep in mind when you're mounting these things, that the mount's fairly large. And there's no other real way to mount it with what it comes with. So, but let's go ahead and get into the setup. So once you get it plugged in, you'll want to go to your Alexia app. If I can bring mine up. And we'll go to device. And let's go to new device. And we'll hit. This is the first time we're gonna do this together, guys. So you'll have to. We're gonna run through this. So hopefully it works. If not, you'll learn through my mistakes. So obviously here we have the Amazon Echo. So as we can see, it is showing an orange light. So we'll go ahead and hit yes. Alright guys, and so I flicked at a couple videos while we're going through this setup, and so apparently this is supposed to link up just like your home Alexa, which is kind of why I bought it. Quite a few of my devices inside my home are smart home devices, and they all run through the Alexa app. So that's why I thought it was kind of a cool thing to get. I can turn my lights on before I come home, and there's a couple of other devices that I can use. I'm not going to disclose everything, and sadly enough, because a lot of it works with my home security system. But that's kind of why I bought it, and it apparently will allow you to look up directions and find stuff. You can add stuff to your shopping list and whatnot. So we'll see what it actually can do. It seems like it does take a little while to pair up. Let me make sure my Wi-Fi is turned on. I guess I should do that, huh? As I say, guys, we're going through this together, so let's see if it'll find it now. So we're searching for a device, and we'll see what it does. Okay, guys, so I had to unplug and restart, but get my my Wi-Fi up. So to give you this warning, obviously don't do this while you're driving. Yeah, so let's not do this while we're doing 70 down the highway, right? Hit continue. So you're going to put it on your air vent, plug it up. We've already got that done. It says it always runs in the background. We'll hit allow. Alright, so we're going to connect. Continue. So it's going to ask, you guys know it plays through your Bluetooth speakers, and it plays that way by using your phone to connect through Bluetooth. If your car doesn't have Bluetooth, you'll want to put that auxiliary cable in, and you'll connect like you would any other connection without Bluetooth. I do have Bluetooth in this truck, so I'm going to go ahead and hit OK. Unable to connect. Alright. So we'll go back and we'll try this again. Alright. So I'm gonna get this set up, guys, and then we'll go kind of run through it. So we'll be back. Alright, so we got her connected. It's gonna ask me to test the setup, so we'll run through this. Alright, so it says sound test successful.
Your device is ready.
Alright, so then it's going to ask for all your permissions. Make and receive calls, manage phone calls. So this is kind of your permissions that you're going to run through. We're going to go ahead and allow it. And it's going to sign into my account. Alright, so there we go. There's apparently going to be a short video. And it's going to set up. Alright. Alright guys, so the setup process is a little bit lengthy. For me it took about 2 or 3 times to kind of set up. But it's like that with any Alexa device. If you're familiar with the Alexa setup, it's going to be a little bit lengthy to get through. But that's kind of the unboxing and the setting up of it. As I said, it's a little cumbersome sitting up here on my dashboard, but I'll run through it in the next couple days and let you know how it turns out. Alright guys, so that was kind of the unboxing and the setup of it. We played with it a little bit, give it about 24 hours. Probably play with it a little bit more tonight and kind of see how it works. And we'll be back with you with a review. If this is your first time with the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Leave a comment if you have questions. Like I said, if you've been looking around or if you happen to have one and you found a different way to mount it, go ahead and let us know. Otherwise, hit that subscribe button. Every like, every subscribe, every comment helps us bring you more content. And alright guys, thank you. Have a good day.